Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best side window deflectors on Amazon. Side window deflectors allow you to enjoy cool air flowing through your vehicle's windows even in bad weather. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Auto Ventshade 194109 Side Window Deflector. The 194109 model stands out with its red lip design and in-channel attachment. The kit comes as a 4-piece set that installs easily and firmly in the slots of the windows. Each window deflector is tinted and reinforced with acrylic that is UV and scratch resistant. Plus, they are all safe to be used in the car wash. There have been complaints about the installation directions. The way it describes may lead to a bit of rain leaking through the window seal. You may want to follow the directions of those who have installed it before to keep it leak-free. You may also run into issues with installing it on certain trucks like Dodge Ram models. Number 2. Auto Ventshade Side Window Deflector. Grab 2 or 4 pieces of these vent visors to enhance your vehicle's functionality. They are tinted and can fit a variety of vehicles. They are also strong and flexible and are designed to blend with your car's contours. The deflectors minimize heat buildup in parked vehicles as you can open the windows slightly, especially if you aren't going very far. They divert rain and wind and allow fresh air to circulate naturally. Auto Ventshade gives a limited lifetime warranty for these rain guards, so you can be sure they are built to last. You can install them in minutes without drilling or using any special hardware. The manufacturer provides an installation guide that makes installation a breeze. These are in-channel vent visors and connect to the window's rubber seals using 3M pre-applied automotive tape. Number 3. Auto Ventshade Chrome Side Window Deflector. Auto Ventshade produces the best vent visors for all types of vehicles, from SUVs to trucks. All of the company's window deflectors come with a limited lifetime warranty, so quality is guaranteed. These deflectors fit perfectly, last longer, and endure everyday use. They are thick, strong, and flexible. They also have a smoky color that does not fade with time. The chrome-plated finish of these rain guards corresponds with the chrome trim on some vehicles. It increases the deflector's durability and also enhances your car's appearance. The rain guards allow fresh air to circulate, eliminating stale air and keeping your car's interior cool. They are easy to install because there is no drilling required. Number 4. Auto Ventshade Matte In-Channel Ventvisor Side Window Deflector. Auto Ventshade returns with its 4-piece matte black window deflector kit. It's a higher-priced version of the company's normal in-channel set, and it looks great. Once it's installed, it will blend in with your vehicle's look while making it stand out from the rest of the pack. It will look like your vehicle just rolled off the factory line, but with a little bit of extra flair. The sleek-looking matte black finished vent visor allows fresh air inside the vehicle but prevents rain from seeping through. It also works well at reducing wind noise and resistance, which can also cut down on any fog that might steam up your windows or mirrors. It installs easily and quickly without any extra hardware or tools. It is a little pricey due to its matte black finish. There have also been issues with automatic windows rolling back down once it comes into contact with the visor. It may be an issue with the sensor and may only happen occasionally. Number 5. WeatherTech Side Window Deflector. WeatherTech is another name tied with preventing any type of weather from entering and ruining your vehicle. These WeatherTech side window deflectors are built for Toyota model vehicles, specifically Tundras. In total, the kit comes with 4 window deflectors. 2 for the front doors and 2 for the rear doors. The wind visors are designed with a transparent tint so you can see through them. However, you run into the fact that they are set at a much higher price than our other honorable mentions. This is because they are built by WeatherTech and feature high-quality plastics and designs. They are thick, sturdy, and built to withstand downpours and reduce road sound. Aside from their price, the deflectors may also fit a bit loosely on Tundras. They may also make a whining sound when rolling up the windows. This may have to do with any dust or dirt that gets caught in the plastic. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.